All right, my mother picked this up at an antique shop a while ago, and I think it's a really nice little heater. Has fan and heater, and it does work. It's just really grimy and needs a little bit of a cleanup. A lot of the chrome is still good, just needs to be cleaned off. And most of all, I think the motor could use some lubrication. Because this is what, 1960s, 1950s, so it's been a long time without lubrication. There's definitely some grime in there. Yeah, look at that. Definitely don't want a bunch of dead bugs inside of here. Alright. You know what? You know, it might just be a better idea just to remove this entire thing and clean it up, because there's a lot of grime inside here as well, and I imagine that would give a nasty smell. The next time I'll need a standard, I'll end up only having Phillips with me. I think that's how that is. It's the precursor to the USB drive always being upside down. We have these 3 fasteners right here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Very good. That's more than good enough for me, because I just wanted to be able to get into here and then also get to this, because the fan blade is grimy, but the chrome's still good. I don't know what oil that is on there, but it's definitely caked on there. You know, perhaps it's just like tobacco smoke or something like that. Yeah, it's kind of brownish. Looks good to me. Eek, it's pretty dirty. I probably should have come at this with a bit of degreaser now that I think about it. Oh, Grace. It might have just been like in a kitchen or something like that. That would actually explain this quite a bit. Because this is like the same grease you'd find in an oven hood. Alright, now as for this, I think a bit of sewing machine oil will do. It should help quite a bit. So it has stiffened up a little bit, but you kind of want that because a bearing shouldn't just be spinning forever. It should have like a smoothness to it. Actually, just spin for quite a while now too. All right. No point in going crazy over this. Just wanted to give it a good clean up. Because it looks like it probably hasn't been cleaned in, well, ever. Something's stuck here. Like a sale sticker or something. But that's coming off. Those speckles might be a little bit of starting oxidation. Let's see if this works right. Fan. Oh. Fan and heating element, which that does concern me right here. It is the lowest part though, so it would be sitting this way. Definitely does have heat. But yeah, that part right there wouldn't be getting hardly any coolant. So if any part was going to break, it'd be that upper coil. You know, one good thing already is that it doesn't have a burning smell. It smelled like it was kind of roasting a little bit before, but now, it all cleaned up, it smells probably fine. You know, these marks made me think that somebody else has already been in here and pried that out. Yeah, most likely. I like that chrome. Looks much better than before. It is odd. Perhaps the winding is dead in the motor. I'm not sure how these motors work, but it could be there's actually like a dead spot. I don't know. All the noise in the world. There's a trailer being demolished by my house and the train comes. It's not my day for filming. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But now I think we should do a test. We should take it to the house that me and my friend are restoring and see how well it heats the room. Pretty good. So now, in order to test the Duo Aire, we're at the abandoned 1925 house, which I want to make this room warmer. Like this is like even if the rest of the house could be cooler, like while we're working on it, this room will be the warm room. You might notice the distinct lack of doors. That will be fixed. But for now, some foam will do. All right, it's currently 11.4 degrees Celsius, and let's let it run for a little bit. Very good. It's not bad, like only 15 minutes. We can let this go for a little longer and see where it ends up. Well, it's been about half an hour and now it's at 18.8, or I guess actually it's been less. I can't remember what the time was. And so it's like 66 degrees or so, which means before too long this might actually get a bit too hot in here. Very nice. So we can get more ambitious. How about we try to also heat this closet and the bathroom. Ooh, it's like walking into a room of cold air. Oh my God, all these doors are busted. They're going to be replaced, don't worry. And we're going to replace those with nice old doors, just a matter of finding them in the dumpster. But I always find them, and I have a couple of friends that collect antiques, and they have several doors for me already. So now we'll just let this air mix, and it'd be really nice if one space heater like this could actually keep a nice room warm and the bathroom. So while we're working on the building, we can have a heated bathroom. That'd be really nice. It's gone down to 18.6 already. 18.5. It's definitely, the air is churning. Forgive me, but my camera ran out of power. It's already warmer. Definitely a lot warmer in here. That door is so busted. And it's even warmer in here still. What time do they start? 3? So it's 5:30. 14.7 degrees Celsius. Looks like it's staying there for a while. That's not too bad actually. It's okay. Might be for now. Might have a space heater. Oh, come on, camera. Come on. Seriously. I think it's gonna be like a space heater per room. That's such a nice little one. A nice little dust one. It's obviously not pulling the full 1500 watts because it's running in series with the fan. And I think that's actually just the issue I noticed with the motor when I was spinning it in my hand. It just seemed to tap. I'm not sure if it has ball bearings. I think it'll be mostly a bushing. That is quite warm. I'm going to switch it to fan just to help it cool down. I would like to hear what you guys think about what that issue might be. If it might be a quick fix or if it is actually just the bushings are wearing out in the motor. I love how reflective the fan is now. It's really beautiful. My mother definitely has a very good eye at antiques. Hey Mai, are you in the dungeon?
Yes.
I almost forgot. I actually need your help filming the end of the video. What's your opinion?
I like it.
All cleaned up and lubricated. It looks like there's a little bit of an issue with the motor, but oh well.
Yeah.
It pops a little bit whenever it's going around, but that's fine. Now it's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya.